The power of truth. In a small village, there lived a boy named Azan. He was poor, but known for his honesty and truthfulness. Everyone in the village respected him because he never told a lie. One day, a merchant in the village lost his bag filled with gold coins. Worried, he announced to the villagers, "Whoever returns my bag will receive a reward." The next morning, Azan found the bag lying on the road. He immediately realized it must belong to the merchant, so he went to return it. When Azan handed the bag to the merchant counted the coins and suddenly said, "This bag is not complete. Some coins are missing. You must have stolen them." Azan was shocked and replied, "I returned the bag just as I found it. I would never steal." The merchant gathered the villagers and accused Azan of being a thief. Everyone was surprised because they knew Azan was an honest boy. The village elders decided to seek justice from the king. When they reached the king's court, the king asked the merchant, "Are you sure there were more coins in your bag?" The merchant confidently said, "Yes, my bag had 100 coins." The king smiled and said, "Then this bag cannot be yours, because the bag Azan returned already had only 90 coins in it." Hearing this, the merchant felt ashamed. He realized he had falsely accused Azan. The king punished the merchant for lying and rewarded Azan for his honesty. The villagers cheered and praised Azan's truthfulness. From that day on, everyone believed that the power of truth always prevails over lies.